What's up, guys? We're at Comic-Con. We'll be taking some videos, doing some vlogs, and playing some games, and see what else is out there. So join me. What's up, guys? Loki609. We're at Comic-Con. Everybody's fixing their hair.
All right, here we are. We're going up the stairs, and the lines are here. Lines. Lines. We're not going to Hall H. We're going to get coffee. Like last year, the coffee vlog. We're going to Starbucks again. I lost my kids. Are you my kids? I lost my kids. Are you my kids? And there's a line. This is what happens to your armor after you fought a couple of battles. It gets deflated. Look at that. Or maybe this is just regular armor. It's not exotic or legendary or anything like that. So there's the Leica experience. You're not gonna respawn if you get hit by a car. So we're headed that way towards Starbucks. But we are on Market Street here in San Diego. Downtown San Diego to be exact. At the Sushi Lounge on Market over here. I'm not sure if that's any good. I've never been there. El Pulpo. The name sounds like it's really yummy. Again, I've never been there as well. The not so busy. Come on, let's go. It's blinking red. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. It's red. We got our coffee and we're headed back to the convention center, which is that away. Cheeseburgers and cold beer. Even the trolleys celebrate Comic-Con. There's more Stranger Things over here. We might have to stop by here later to see if there's actually anything connected to Stranger Things 2. Where's he going? Ah, I got a coffee! Oh no! It's Richie, he's missing. Richie's missing again. Oh my god, Richie's missing. Have you seen Richie? Alright, we gotta get to the Marriott.
That maybe for hers, Tyler's not gonna get me. I'm not ready to fight. Oh, I am. She already said you have to fight it.
We should have gone the secret way. Underneath everybody.
I like the dragon.
We made it. We made it. We survived the lines and all the people. We didn't get run over. But we're headed over here to pick up this guy's friend. Air conditioning. Oh, there it is. There's a gaming lounge for Nintendo. This is where we're gonna pick up your friend. Right here. Over there. Not here. Over there. And Nintendo's over here. It's not open yet. Not open yet. Not open yet. Not open yet. Ah, sideshow. They've got an exhibit over here.
It's spider. It's spider.
Who is it? Who is it? You don't know who it is? We found a quiet corner here at the San Diego Marriott Marquis while we're waiting for Basti's friend to show up.
Jay, where are you? Are you here? Jay!
Basti, the floor is lava. We're in line. Line. Oh, we're dying, it's so hot. Another line. Everybody here? Everybody got their badges? It's my brother's favorite Gears of War map, Blood Drive. Alright, we're headed into the convention. Here we go.
So the rest of this video continues with very limited commentary so that you guys can kind of enjoy the sights and sounds of Comic-Con as well as, you know, what's to experience. Now, Comic-Con isn't just about the exhibit floor. It's also about meetings, about panels, about a bunch of other things. So hopefully in the next day or two, I will be able to show you guys some of the other things that go on at Comic-Con besides just walking around and looking at stuff.
Heard Comic-Con again. Is that Chris Helmsworth?
So enjoy the rest of the video, and if you guys have questions or comments, please leave them on this video, and I will catch you guys later.
So we have all the artists. Let's take a look.
I walked past like 10 people.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome. Excuse me. So these are the people. That's a pretty good picture. These are the people that make Comic-Con what it is, the artists. Fidget spinners. There's Capcom over there. Let's go to Capcom. And Nintendo. Oh, Blizzard's back. Tekken 7 over here. So Middle-earth Shadow of War, the sequel to, I believe, Shadow of Mordor.
Don't be shy, this is the official Capcom store. If you want to get official Capcom merchandise, this is the place to do it. We've got new Capcom apparel, $20 for Mega Man t-shirts, and they're super soft.
Ooh, super soft. Just like toilet paper, super soft. Wow, that's some incredible art right there. Look at that. It's the Ghostbusters Ecto 1. That's really awesome. Characters from Arkham Knight. This is awesome right here. I wonder if she has a multi-pass. Multi-pass sounds good right now, like a multi-pass to a buffet. I'm so hungry. Alright, so we're going toward the major exhibits, DC, Marvel, and everybody else. Let's go see what they have in store. Red Hood's gun is bent. He doesn't shoot straight. Look, it's the Emperor. Where are my Doritos? Give me my Doritos. I want my Doritos. Back outside. Not as many people now because the lines have already gone inside. Still a lot of people nevertheless. San Diego PD has it out in full force. It's hot and muggy today. Hoping it rains. Hungry for some lunch. Alright, we're back in the parking lot. It smells like either somebody's smoking weed or they've got a skunk in their car. And they're not sharing. So we're gonna find who it is. Who is it? We're having lunch. I'll take one of those. That's pretty cool. Thank you. That's a pretty awesome poster for Powers United VRs for their VR properties coming up. Alright, let's go that way. I don't see the poster that my friend wanted. Maybe that was from preview night. We'll have to ask later. Lego booth. You need to get in line to be able to buy something in there, which kind of sucks. Nami over there. Oh, look, Judge Dredd Lawmaster. That's pretty cool. I think that's Jessica Chobot. What am I focusing on?
Welcome everybody to the Warner Brothers booth, currently signing the new animated series coming soon to Cartoon Network, Unikitty. Yes, your favorite character from the Lego movie now has her own show. That's Unikitty coming soon, only to Cartoon Network.
We're almost to the end. We're going to turn a left. What am I stepping on? When we get to the end, we're going to take a left and head back the other way. Down the opposite aisle. Alright, so we're getting to the end, getting close to the Artist Alley. Hulk from Thor Ragnarok in Funko format.
We didn't take anything.
It's Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy. A lot of artists here today. This is awesome. This is a good sign. And it's good because in the past, Artist Alley has been pretty empty. And the fact that there's more artists here today for this convention means that hopefully it's going back to what it was, actual comics. Did I mention my feet hurt? My feet are killing me. Alright, let's go take a look at Nickelodeon. See what they have here. We don't get run over.
Vendors are getting paid.
Don't run me over. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Oh, I'm not over there. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. BBC America. Outlander. Never really got into that. Let's go take a look at Square Enix. They always have some pretty rad figures.
And await further instructions. Thank you for your cooperation.
There is no alarm. Alright, well.
I mean, there's no really like area.
Oh, but not what I want to see right now. There you go. It's a Batmobile from Justice League. Over here. Check out this Joker here. Netflix Defenders. We got a sneak preview of the Defenders, I think. Loot Crate. They messed up Luke Skywalker. Look. It's been a bad night of drinking. Yeah, I feel that way too when I've had one too many to drink.